That's me not so good, Chief.
Now I'm just getting ready for the morning. So let's do this.
We are the brave, we are the bold. We can be anything, anything, anything. We are the light, we light the dark. We can do everything, everything, everything. So hold on, don't stop. There's so much in you. We are the brave. We are the free. We have the power to be stronger if we want it. You and me. This is our time. This is the day. We can do anything, anything, anything. And all our dreams light up the way. We can have everything, everything, everything. So stand up, don't stop the
Bid food. Delivery. Time to crack on a bit more. Right. Let's do this. It's gonna be a long day, but you know, I like my job. So let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Tell you what, guys, I must go up and down these stairs a lot every day. Right, what do I need? What do I need? I know. Oh, that's better. Oh yeah, carry on. Sorry. Right, we're heading into lunchtime now. Ooh, nearly gone. Getting there on the crack, so should be a busy day. Let's do this. lunch was alright, pretty busy to be fair. Still carry on with the prep, so yeah, it's not been a bad day so far. Hey guys, just about to do into night service, so gonna get back up there and I'll show you what we do tonight. Hey guys, it's a lovely Sunday morning, so I hope you're enjoying this vlog so far. It's a bit different, it's showing you what I get up to when I'm working. So, yeah, cool. Yeah, just walking into work now. It's a Sunday, so it's about 11 o'clock. Right, let's go. Right, then guys, just yeah, not gonna lie, caught a cold this week, so I haven't been running, so just thought I'd do this type of vlog for you and let you show you what I do and how it all goes about, because not a lot of people know what happens behind, in the back of like a restaurant, because people just think, oh, just produce food all day. This is what we do.